Quick tutorial on how to properly export a material from Marmoset Toolbag 5 into Unreal Engine 5.5. Now this is assuming you're using the default export profile inside Marmoset, provided albedo, normal map, and mix map. So you're just going to select the output folder and then hit export all. And then we're going to go ahead and import those into our Unreal project. And then you're going to set up 3 texture sample nodes inside your material here. The normal should automatically detect that it's a normal map and set the correct compression settings and color profile on that. With the mix map though, you're going to need to do it manually, so you have to turn off sRGB mode. That way you only have linear color data going. And then you're going to want to also select your sampler type to properly align with what your samples are. And then your albedo is just going to run to your base color. Your normals are going to run to your normal input. And with your mix map, you're going to run red into your ambient occlusion. You're going to run green into your roughness. Blue is going to go to metallic, and your alpha is going to go into your specular or cavity if you're working with cavity inside your material. And then you're going to hit apply. And then once you've hit apply, all of your texture and material should be properly displaying on your model that it's assigned to.